Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, and this is stock chart analysis for Vasco Data Security International, VDSI. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, so it's Wednesday morning. It's about 11 o'clock Central Time when I'm recording this. The weekly chart I've got in here is data through last Friday. The daily chart is data through Tuesday. And I know VDSI is trading up this morning. It was up like 1.8, but I think it's pulled back some since then. But anyway, let's take a look at the weekly chart. I think what we've got here is a 5-wave cycle wave 1 ups. This is cycle wave 1, okay? And then we've got cycle wave 2 completing over here. So we had 5 waves up from this low in 2003 to the high when the market peaked in October 2007. And then we had very complex stretched out corrective action here. And then we got some really nice, strong, impulsive move here that I think is a part of a cycle wave 3. So when I talk about, cycle wave 3, I'm talking about it should be, all the way up here, because it should exceed this top, because your 3's got to go above here, because when 4 pulls back, it can't overlap 1 if this is doing what, that big a move, if that's what's going on. I mean, here's 2. And so what I think we're in primary wave 1, which is similar to primary wave 1 over here. And that's what I think we're in right now. Okay, let me go back to the mouse, get control of that, and come on, mousy. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so now when I look at this from a cycle wave, if this is primary wave 1, intermediate wave 1, 2, I think we had a very strong impulsive intermediate wave 3, and now we've had a corrective wave 4 pullback. So I draw a parallel line, 2 to 4, extended from 3. That's one potential target for the top. I don't think it's going to get that high, and the reason is because we had this extended wave 3. Now, every once in a great while, wave 5 will also extend if wave 3 extends, but usually 1 out of these 3 impulsive waves, 1, 3, or 5, will extend. And if 3 is already extended, then there's a high probability that wave 5 will not extend, okay? So now let's go ahead and look at the daily chart. So now, given that I don't think it's going to extend, here's the corrective wave 4, intermediate wave 4 in here. Let's zoom in. So then it's like, okay, what do we got going on in here? I think we've started a minor wave 1, 2. We should be in a minor wave 3, and of course it hit. It was up like 28.75 this morning, so the top of the Keltner channel here exceeded this point here. So I think we're moving up, and in my projection targets around 35.5 as a minimum target. But I don't think it's going to get all the way up to where I was projecting with that parallel line. But I do think there's a good chance of getting 35, 36. So what we'll have to do is just watch the wave count in here. Starting here. Here's 1, 2, and just see where we think wave 3 and how it's playing out. But this is my assessment at the moment, and so I think we'll get we'll get 5 intermediate waves up that'll complete this wave 1 here, primary wave 1. Then we're going to get into corrective mode. Okay, then we got to correct. Because once you get 5 waves up, let me rescale this. Once you get 5 waves up, then you have to correct the entire 5 waves. Okay, so we'll just see it, take it one step at a time. And the last phase in here right now is this 5th intermediate wave up. All right, that's it for VDSI. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the website. It's first name and email, and you're good to go. Gives you access to the Trade Ideas webpage. Free PDF I've got for you, and then you get automatic email notifications of posts, etc., and things like that. So if you're not on the website, head on over to the website, check it out. All right, everyone, have a great Wednesday. We'll talk to you again tonight with a market update.